Mama,
Mami,
Madre.
Oma,
Nanay, Muti,
Ma.
Fulfilling.
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 Intimate. Independent.
Love.
Nurture.
Everything should be intimate. So, nag-umpisa siya sa love. Kasi kung hindi, parang madali kang sumuko after all the challenges na matatanggap mo.
I think I learned about the unconditional love. That's very true. And I'm sure only mothers can understand what I'm talking about.
Motherhood has taught me to become more patient, at the same time to be more appreciative of little things.
It's made me tougher, more resourceful, and independent.
It has also given me a new sense of purpose and a deeper understanding of the importance of a family.
It made me appreciate dogs even more. Before, I used to fear dogs a lot, kahit yung mga maliliit na aso. But right now, I have one and I really, really love it.
Kailangan mong mas maging proactive, healthy, at the same time. And then, how to manage and multitask.
Well, nung una, I do everything. So, all the household, while nag-work, so, sa umaga, work, na sa gabi, household, and taking care of the kids. But now, kasi since malalaki na sila, I delegate the job, yung work na dapat na ginagawa ko na, tinuturo ko na sa kanila. So, at least, kahit pa, na-lessen yung responsibility.
You just really need to manage your schedule, pamper them every time you have the luxury of time.
Worrying, I think. That's the most challenging part.
The constant pressure to have fulfilling multiple roles without partner support.
The feeling of never having enough time.
Siguro for me, yung pinaka-challenging part is yung pag-overthink minsan.
emotional challenges, guilt at saka stress.
The most challenging part for me, because I have 3 kids, is how to balance my time and attention. The least that I wanted is one of them will feel that I don't have much time for them and probably have more attention to the others. So that's something that I am working on and very conscious of.
Maging strong lang din po siya and independent and soon.
Number 1 is grit. Yeah. Because no matter what you do, no matter what, where you are and what you achieve in life, I think grit is very important. And then, most importantly, I want them to be God-fearing all the time. Because that's something that, will guide you through your life, whatever it is.
Yung how to be good in everything you do, the best that you can.
The value of resilience, no? Life can be tough. There will be times na when things don't go as planned, no? I just want to understand that setbacks are natural part of life.
Yung pagiging grateful all the time sa mga blessings.
Everything. But the top of mind is whenever he zooms around the room, he's really excited to play with his toys. Yung iba nasisira na din. And kapag pinapanood mo talaga siya, gigil na gigil siya. So, pag napapanood mo yung mga ganun, parang nakakatuwa lang every time.
I would say they have to maximize the time, especially if they're still small, gusto pa nilang kasama ka, ganon.
Always surround yourself with positive people. Kasi very important sa pagiging nanay, yung support system mo.
Maging strong lang din sila tulad sa akin kasi bilang mother ko talaga is mahirap. Love your kids. Kasi ikaw rin yung magiging guide nila pagdating ng panahon.
Please trust yourself at saka don't be hesitant to ask help